All right, so bed is done. Lights are there. The other side, I have the fan and the ICO, and boom. All right, so here we have our setup. This is a beautiful place. We got some hammock, we got some Sprinter, we got some Jeep, we got some friend. Golden hour is coming. Beautiful tent. Let's see what we have here. Sea-Doo to get some fun. There you go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. Nice setup. Brand new. C'est sweet. Bien arrangé. Avec le poêle. Ouais, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? Qu'est-ce qu'on mange?
Steak avec le viande de Subaru.
Ah, tu viens de finir? Ah, on fait la vaisselle. Ah ah! Fait que ça, c'est un setup. Parmi tant d'autres, on va en voir un autre. Oh, golden hour! Wow! On a un beau Jeep ici. Il y en a qui sont indépendants puis qui se mettent au bout de la plage. Les belles chaises. Le salon. Salle à dîner, cuisine. Wouh! Ça, c'est... Il n'y a rien de mieux que ça, là. Du charbon. Du charbon. Beau petit setup. Le gros fridge. Le gros.
Ben la bière.
Ben la bière. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. Would you be mine? Wow. Good morning, Vietnam. After a very good night with the friend and everything, good morning. We just woke up and first night, well, I should say second night into the fuzzy, and it was just amazing. Now, as you can see, there's barely condensation in front. Here, little less, and the reason is very simple. I have this little baby over there, UCO, plus the fan. The fan, I didn't use it, but yeah, it's working fine, and it keeps a little warm. So right now, it went to -2 degrees outside, so yeah, I have my quilt, I have 2 sleeping bags, and I'm good. And here's the view outside. Pretty amazing, huh? Wow. It's nice. It's really nice. Yep, another day in paradise. So I hope you like it. Today we'll see how it goes, but I think there's not going to be any trails, so we'll see. And comment below, tell me what's your best spot and what you like. Let me know. All right, let's start the morning. Bacon strip. Bacon strip. Yum yum.
Mais tu sais, sûr,
Ouais, The Waltz.
c'est sûr que, mettons que tu n'as pas d'autres outils, ben il vient avec la batterie plus petite. Ok. Tu sais, la batterie plus petite, c'est sûr qu'elle passe moins.
Yep, Overland with a Sea-Doo. No problem. Have some fun. Why not? What a nice day. We were expecting like 2 degrees, rain, and finally we get that beautiful day. That's our pig. Little pig. She doesn't like to go in the truck. She's not happy. Or call it not happy camper. And don't worry, nothing is happening except trying to pick up the pig and put it inside of the truck. poor pig. So here's the plan. We're doing a hiking right now. 2 Jeep in front of us. Yes, I'm doing a vlogging time. So 2 Jeeps all the way up to the hill you saw on the drone footage. So unfortunately these guys went a little bit fast than us to do this beautiful, plenty of fun rock crawling, starting with the mosquitoes, but not too bad. This hiking, we just arrived and I'm gonna show you in a couple of minutes what it looks like. You'll see it's freaking amazing. 2 Jeeps, 2 monster Jeeps. Yeah, it's not buggies, but they're pretty big. And the reveal. 1, 2, 3. Booyah. Almost what we see in the into the footage of the drone, but yeah, it's just amazing. And orange Jeep we saw before. Jeep is over there, and our friend is over there having some fun. C'est bizarre, tu descends de même pas 15 pieds puis t'as pas de bébite pantoute.
pas de marche à pied, lui. Ouais. Ah ouais?
Le bout que le 5 minutes d'avance qu'il y avait sur nous autres, c'est 5 minutes.
Wow. 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 Et de une, et de deux, et de trois. Nice shot. Yeah. Talking about rock. Ouais, c'est ça. Ah, excuse. Tu vas avoir le deuxième. Elle va descendre, moi, te le dire quand ça descend. That's it. Ah, too late. Je t'ai pogné too late. Ah. Bon, non, stop. Stop. Well, that was easy. Nice. Fou raide, hein?
Hey! Ça va, ouais.
Patong. Ah, nice. Rescue style.
Bon?
Yep.
Maman, j'ai peur!
Arrête, tu vas faire au lit. Ben pas fou là. On se tient, mais jusqu'à quel point? C'est hot en esti, pour vrai. Tu filmes ça? Malade! Ouais, c'est hot. C'est hot. J'ai tout le temps rêvé de faire du SWAT de même. Alright. Almost alone. Oh yeah. That's us. Right there. Yeah. Click is gone, except our two friends over there.
Are you vlogging?
I am vlogging. Ask the questions, you know what I'm doing. Pretty nice. This beautiful Sunday. Oops. This will be caught during video time procedure. I want to know what you done this weekend. Comment below. Follow for more video of Overland, Subaru International, and today, combined with Overland Mauricie. there you go. I hope you enjoy.
All right. So the beer is, the name of the beer is according to what we have right now. Brise du lac. Breeze of the lake. Typically that's what it is. A little breeze. The fire is going. The wind is blowing. And the guys that sing for the rest is overlanding. Alright, so according to what it is, check this out. We're alone with the term, but it's damn freezing. One thing is sure, you don't have any mosquito